Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Robinhood a cash account. Many users find a cash account offers more control over their trading. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step. This guide will help you navigate the Robinhood platform to successfully switch your account type. By the end, you'll be confident in managing your cash account settings and enjoying its specific advantages. Understanding the differences between account types is crucial. With a cash account, you must wait for funds from sales to settle, typically 2 business days, before you can use them again. Instant and Gold accounts, however, provide immediate access to these funds, offering more flexibility. Robinhood Gold also includes margin trading, which is not available with a standard cash account. Choosing the right account depends on your trading style and preferences. Converting your account is a straightforward process. First, ensure you have no active margin balances or unsettled trades, as these must be resolved before switching. Next, open your Robinhood app or visit their website and navigate to the Help section. From there, contact their support team and clearly state your intention to convert your account to a cash account. They will guide you through any final steps and confirm when the change is complete, usually within a few business days. After converting to a cash account, remember that funds from stock sales will take 2 business days to settle before you can reinvest them. This means you'll need to plan your trades more carefully to avoid good faith violations. You will also no longer have access to margin trading, which is a feature of Robinhood Gold. However, the good news is that the pattern day trader rule will no longer apply to your account, offering more freedom for frequent trading without restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.